This is Sanjay here again. So today we look at the evolution of computing to GenAI, how it all started and what is the journey that a computer programmer or a computer have taken to be here, to be your pocket AI assistant. So let's start. Well, we start with 1940s, the calculation era, from manual calculations to automated computing. So, in those times, they have these computers was, house, right? The size of houses. It's big. They need 50 people to automate a computer. What was problem that the computer was solving? They were solving the payroll and the inventory problem. Well, we were starting to see the birth of programming languages. In that period, people were usually writing code in microprocessors, but still there was experimentation on Fortran and in COBOL and go forward. Next era is the era of personal computing. Our own Steve Jobs and Microsoft just completely changed the world we are looking at it. The advent has started in 1980s when people or the employees of the companies started getting their own computers. Well, they have started creating some own calculations. The computer and the human interaction have started. New softwares are just coming in. New calculation softwares are coming in. There are more people who are writing programming languages. There are more people who are interacting with the computer. Next, internet and the mobile era. Well, the internet has changed everything. You have people now being connected through computers for thousands of kilometers. You have softwares being running, you have been servers being running, and the advent of mobile and the processing power of mobile changed it altogether. So everybody who is running a 4GB, 8GB, I think all of you have that smartphone. It's nothing but a mini computer in your pocket. And with the advent of everybody using mini computer, cloud computing becomes important, data becomes important because everybody have started using it. Connectivity and collecting data becomes the new connection or the new currency that all of these computer systems are built on. The fourth one, today, the AI revolution. Well, the AI revolution have not started in 2018 or 2021. It has started in around 2010. When people started building, there is something called what we call as probabilistic programs. What are probabilistic programs? These are programs which are predicting the output, not creating it. So probably with some sort of accuracy, it is providing some output. It's a probabilistic program. And this kind of started the era of OCR. People started putting things on your face, your Instagram, Snapchat. Earliest examples that I have used is a Facebook friend suggestion from images. So all of this started building up. And how all of this been done? By training an algorithm with a certain set of data. Then come 2022, 2021, GenAI comes into play. All of a sudden, Sam Altman decides this great technology that is available, I think for last 5 years, for a lot of companies, should be free for everybody to use. That changed the whole world completely. Now, in today, I can communicate with the computer with my own language. It can create code, it can create content. There is a less dependency on a developer and a computer expert for me to do a specific task through a CPU. That is what changes the whole game. Why this matters to every student? AI is becoming completely universal. Well, it gives you a clear competitive advantage over all of you. And then you're looking at any of the data that's been coming up, right? It's 50,000 jobs which are there at this point of prompt engineering, and the numbers are going to go up and up. If you go up to something like US, I think we're going to a conference in Dubai, everywhere AI being invested, and it's just not the technology part, but people who are going to use AI. That's why you need to understand how to use AI. What are the different variations of AI? Even if you're not coming from a very technical background and can build ML or AI models. Real examples of transmissions? Well, what are the important factors that AI has brought in? Obviously, healthcare. I think there has been a conversation by Gork AI where you're looking at all of this diagnosis to be done by AI. By AI's vision, diagnosis can change the world completely. We are waiting for an FDA approval from US, where we might have this AI-driven apps being the first aid kind of thing, first diagnosis doctor for you. Education, yes. Well, this is, we're talking about learning mentors. We're going to be 24/7 customized mentor for you. That's how the whole thing is going to change. Content creation, completely going to change. We're going to create truckloads of content personalized for every student of you. That is only possible in AI. Next, business. Well, business is all about money. AI has done what? It has created a space where lot can be done in a very small amount of resources. So business is going to become very big. There is so much of automation, there's so much of changes in customer service, and we are looking at a space where probably in 5 years down the line, customer service teams would become like 5%, 10% of today's teams. Last but not the least, the PPT that you're seeing, the creative piece of it, it's all been done by AI. It's been great brainstorming tool. It is able to create music. It is able to write content, great quality content. And as we speak, one of my friend is experimenting with Sora, and the videos are unbelievable. So it's in healthcare, education, business, creative industries, and it is everywhere. I can talk about manufacturing and analytics. I can talk about thing which is changing the marketing industry, something probably as niche as doing a sari design, that has also been changed. This is why we are where we are looking at transformation everywhere around us. And it is now your question whether you want to be part of the transformation or you want to be at the end of that transformation. How do you learn? What is your kind of learning journey map? First, you need to start with foundation. I think understanding AI concept, basic programming concept, so a lot of introduction to AI tools. First, create your AI powered application. Second, you have to have the technical skills. You have to understand APIs. You have to understand prompt engineering fundamentals. Then you start building your application. The fourth, how do you integrate into careers? Now, you might ask that this journey map looks very generic, right? But out of this journey map, module 1 and module 2, where you're going to be part of a prompt engineering piece, then you're going to move in and kind of being ingested into this prompt engineering world, and whatever you have learned going to be used in production. I hope this whole thing has given you a great idea of the AI journey, and see you in the next class.